How to renew Holafly eSIM. Holafly is a company that provides international eSIM solutions for travelers, offering unlimited data plans in over 200 destinations without roaming charges. They focus on being carbon neutral. Topping up, renewing, or extending your eSIM before it expires is simple. It can be done through the Holafly app or website. Just follow these steps. 1 is log in to your Holafly account through their website with the email you used for your purchase. Go to My eSIMs. Select Top Up My eSIM and choose the plan that best suits your needs. Confirm your order, complete the payment, and you'll receive a confirmation email. After topping up, remember to turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection before browsing. Remember that you can only renew data before the existing purchase plan's expiration date. That's it. Thanks for watching.